Hey you guys, we're doing a video on how to make your icons bigger or smaller. And we have two laptops here today. We have the Inspiron 14 from Dell. And we have your Toshiba satellite. And we're going to start with our Dell computer first. What you want to do is right here, you want to right click in an empty area. Don't click on an icon. Find an empty area on your laptop. You want to right click right here. And as you can see, it shows you that view. You want to go to view. And whatever you want to change it to, large, medium, or small icon. So we're going to click on large and see what it does. Okay, as you can see, we clicked on large and our icons got bigger. If you don't want them that size, right click and you can go to view again, and we're going to change them to small. And they went smaller, as you can see. But we're going to keep it on medium. That's the way it came. So we're going to keep it on that. We're going to right click in the empty area. Go to view at the top and we're going to click on medium. And as you can see, the icons went back to medium. That's a nice size for me. And now we're going to go to the Toshiba. And here we go. On the Toshiba, this is the right click button down here. And you want to make sure you right click in the empty area. You want to right click, and as you can see, the screen pops up again. We want to go to view, and the same thing. We're gonna go to view and try large first. Let's see how big they get. Oh yeah, they got really big. Can you see that, guys? So we don't want to keep them that large. So we're gonna try small. We're gonna right click in the empty area. Go to view, and we're going to change them to small. And as you can see, they went very small, but we don't want to keep them that size, so we're going to click in the empty area right in here. We're going to change them back to medium, right click, and you want to go to view, and you want to go to view, and then we're going to go to medium. As you can see, they changed back to medium size. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.